Hey everybody, welcome to this A2 English listening practice video. You can use this video to practice your listening and comprehension as I speak. Today, let's explore the history of the United States in a simple and easy way. We'll travel through time to learn about important events and how the country became what it is today. A long time ago, before anyone else arrived, Native American people lived across the land. They had different cultures and languages, creating unique communities and traditions. In the late 1400s, explorers, like Christopher Columbus, sailed across the sea and found the Americas. This led to Europeans coming over and starting colonies along the East Coast. These were like small towns where people lived and worked. Soon, there were 13 colonies along the Atlantic Ocean. Each colony had its own way of life. People faced challenges, but they worked hard to make their homes in this new land. In the late 1700s, the people in the colonies wanted to be free from British rule. This led to a big fight, called the American Revolution. They won, and in 1776, they declared their independence. The leaders then created a plan for the government, called the Constitution. As time went on, people moved towards the west, exploring new lands. But this also caused problems, especially with Native Americans and the issue of slavery. In the mid-1800s, the country had a big fight, called the Civil War, over the question of slavery. After the Civil War, the country worked to rebuild the South and make new laws. This time was called Reconstruction. The late 1800s saw big changes, with more factories and new inventions, like trains and telephones. In the 1900s, the United States became a big player in world events, especially in World War I and World War II. At the same time, people were working hard for civil rights, wanting everyone to be treated equally, no matter their skin color. In recent years, the United States has faced new challenges, like climate change and questions about fairness. The country continues to change and grow, with people talking about how to make things better for everyone. So, that's a quick journey through the history of the United States. From Native Americans to today's challenges, it's a story of people working together, facing difficulties, and making a nation that's always changing. Alright, that's all for today. Leave a comment and tell me what story would you like to hear next time. I'll see you next time.